Well, at the FASB, we believe it's important that we have standards that work. And what I mean by that are standards that provide investors with relevant information and that preparers can consistently apply at a reasonable cost. The FASB staff, as a result of the new Tax Act, provided some clarifying guidance to accountants in the U.S. that help promote consistent application. In the coming year, the FASB and our staff are going to monitor the implementation of accounting for income taxes to see if there's anything else we need to do to provide clarity on the application, if there's any additional transparency we should provide via disclosures to investors, and if there's other simplifications that we can make that will reduce the preparer's cost to applying accounting for income taxes.
The FASB heard from stakeholders that they had questions about how to apply some of the income tax accounting guidance to certain provisions in the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. And so they directed the staff to act quickly. Ultimately, the staff published 5 staff Q&A documents that provide the staff's views on how to apply the income tax accounting guidance to the new law.
In response to stakeholders' concerns, the FASB issued a standard which eliminates stranded tax effects resulting from the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. Now that the tax bill has been enacted, we will resume our work on the Disclosure Framework project pertaining to income taxes. The FASB previously issued a proposed accounting standards update that's intended to enhance disclosure requirements on income taxes. We will now revisit those proposed disclosures to determine where further changes will be needed.
So income tax accounting is one of the more complex areas of accounting. And so the staff is working with stakeholders to identify any areas of unnecessary complexity that the board can change. Some stakeholders have asked the board to reconsider the prohibition against backwards tracing. So the board will have to identify whether the costs of providing that information, which were historically high, outweigh the benefits of providing that information.
We recently created a new webpage dedicated to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. We encourage people to go there for more information.